so lovely to be here to chat to you all.
What qualities and attributes do you look for in Virgin people, and what is it that sets them apart?
We're really looking for people with optimism, people who are willing to take some risks. That's one that some businesses don't like that, but we absolutely thrive with that. We want people to really feel that they can take risks and be adventurous, and trial and error is hugely important to us.
I'd just like to know, according to you, what creates and defines Virgin's culture?
Our culture always comes down to our wonderful Virgin people. Virgin was built on sort of the magic that we can make for our people and our customers, and it was that experience-led brand that was built by our people, just for other brilliant people. And Dad's always said, if you look after your people, that they're going to look after your business. And I think that that's what's driven the success of Virgin, and also what's created this really wonderful culture.